Welcome back. Today we're checking out Oveallgo Beestrong Nasal Inhaler. It claims to support prostate health just by sniffing. Yep, you heard it right. Just by sniffing. What is this the real deal or just another sketchy wellness trend? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, all the information in this video is based on research and personal opinion. The Be Strong inhaler is marketed as a natural, non invasive solution that supposedly helps with blood circulation to the prostate and boosts overall male wellness. You simply inhale from the stick a few times a day. The site selling it, pxmen.com, offers little detail, no clinical backing, no certifications, and no expert endorsements. There are virtually no reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or major medical sites. Google search brings up almost nothing but a few vague listings on similar online shops. Some users on other platforms say the mental scent is strong and refreshing, but none mention any noticeable effects on prostate health. It's basically just an essential oil inhaler with old claims. So for the final verdict, is the Oveallgo Be Strong inhaler legit? As a nasal inhaler, sure, it probably smells nice and may clear your sinuses, but in terms of prostate therapy, there's no solid proof it works. With zero real reviews or scientific support, this feels more like clever marketing than an actual health solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.